friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to take you to a small tour of our mini home garden. In our 2 cent space, now we have around 25 trees. After coming here, I don't know how time flies by. Just looking at the trees, taking care of our hens, it's altogether an entirely different feeling. It's very relaxing and soothing experience. Variety of birds are a frequent visitor over here. Now I will introduce to you each one of the trees one by one. Firstly, let's see, this is my Muringa tree. Muringa or drumstick tree. It is 2 years old, but this one tree is sufficient for our entire household needs. Apart from using it for our curries, we even boil this drumstick leaves and drink regularly. It has very much big medicinal values. The second tree which you are seeing nearby, it is Desi Guava tree. Now after rains we are waiting for the fruits. Let's hope for the best. I am keeping my fingers crossed. Now the next tree which you are going to see nearby is a small plant which is a Chinese plant, Chinese Guava plant, which I bought 1 month back from our nearby nursery. This is very effective in lowering blood sugar levels. This one you can see is the Alfonso breed of mango tree. Now after recent rains, fresh leaves have come. This is Amla or Nilli tree. Benefits of Amla are well known to you. This is around 2 years old. Here we have around 3 types of papaya plants. We have it as a fruit and also we use in our curries. Fruits are very tasty. This is a great demand from our nearby friends and neighbors. These fruits are very delicious. This nearby you can see small shed. It is for our hens. We have created this small shed from the coconut branches. I will show you clearly this. This tree which you see, this is Panganpalli variety of mango tree which is 8 months old. Now it is growing fastly. In between it had some major issues. Now it is growing fastly after the rains. This is the shed that I told you. This is the red coconut tree, also known as king coconut or Chevvalani in Tamil. This also has many Ayurvedic uses. Here in our farm we have around 2 coconut trees, which is sufficient for our home needs. Apart from using coconut in cooking for our curries, we even extract coconut oil. So we are able to get homemade coconut oil. These coconuts are harvested in a gap of around 40 to 45 days. This coconut is self-sufficient for our home needs. Next, which you are going to see, is the Afghan variety of fig. This I bought 3 months back. Now new leaves have started to come. Actually it has one speciality. The roots grow slowly to the ground, but once anchored they rapidly grow in size. In my upcoming videos I will show you the progress of this. Next you can see this is our custard apple tree or sitafal tree. Actually I love these fruits very much. Fruits are tasty and delicious. But birds and squirrels are the ones who get to taste these fruits first. Always before plucking we keep some for them. This which you are now seeing, this is Kerala Vettila. You might be aware of this. It is mainly used in functions. And even it has medicinal uses, mainly for treating cough. Nearby that is the Desi pomegranate tree. As you can see, this is our chiku or sapota. Now new fruits have started to come. This has started flowering since this is the flowering season. Actually for chickus there are two main flowering seasons, from October to November and then from Feb to March. Now fruits have started to appear. This you see is our jamun tree. I brought this 3 months back. It is also called as Indian black cherry or navel payam. It is also very healthy. Our jackfruit, you can see it got dried due to the heat. But after recent rains, new leaves have started to come. Hope it grows well. I am keeping my fingers crossed. This is our orange tree. While starting this, there were some problems in growing this, but now it has adapted well here. Backside to that is our banana. This is a Sentulvan breed of banana which is very nutritious. Actually I have a craze for eating in banana leaf. For that craze only I started this banana. But with hens nearby, growing banana is a big challenge. Next here you can see is the hero of our garden. This is the lemon tree. It is about 5 years old. This is always ready to give us lemon whenever we need. It not only provides us shade, but also a grand welcome to all those who come to our garden, since it is at the entrance. We don't provide any special nutrients for this. This you can see is the tub where our hens lay eggs. Oh, now we have got one egg. Yeah, in these tubs you can see they lay the eggs. In this tank we fill the water and this will be used to water the trees. This is our small storehouse. Yeah, we have got one lemon also here. Yeah. Getting fruits from our garden is very satisfying feeling. Even small space you can convert to a beautiful garden. Start with small steps at a time. All the best. Stay updated for more videos. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.